Welcome to ArtMagic.
Hello, budding artists. Let's embark on a heartwarming drawing adventure to celebrate Mother's Day Eve. Today, we'll learn how to draw Mama Avocado tenderly cradling her seed while nurturing her adorable baby. Get your pencils ready and let's dive in. Well done, young artists! You've created a beautiful scene of Mama Avocado and her loving family, celebrating Mother's Day Eve with warmth and affection. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.